Ahead of a maritime construction project, as an engineer, we need to get there to get a preliminary understanding of the ground conditions there. And through that, we use a very small device called a cone penetration test. And that gives us a bit of preliminary information of what the ground conditions look like at this site. Using the initial data that we collected during that initial site investigation process, we can develop a virtual model that helps us with design and forecasting how pile installation will go. So using the digital twin we've developed, we're able to update the initial model that we've created with this pile installation data, which gives a lot more certainty to the engineer in terms of the design and how they're expecting the rest of installation to go based on the updated ground conditions. The other thing as part of the BEEYONDERS program is that with Giken, this Japanese company Giken, they've developed a solution called press-in piling. Press-in piling, it's simply taking a large steel tubular pile and pushing it and rotating it into the ground. And during that process, we're also collecting a lot of useful data. So with that information, we can use that to create more certainty for an engineer in terms of what the ground conditions are looking like. And with that certainty comes more confidence in the structure itself. It means in real time on the project, the engineer is able to make decisions regarding how deep they need to go with the foundation piles and figure out what needs to be done from there. So the main benefit with the Giken press-in piling solution is that it's able to install piles with minimum disturbance on the surroundings. It's quieter, it's vibration free, and it's able to adjust to a lot of different types of ground conditions. What the digital twin on the BEEYONDERS project allows us to do is that, first of all, it's giving the engineer more certainty regarding how the design is going, and it also means that we need to do less tests in order to get to that level of uncertainty. And through doing less tests, that also results in a reduction of the material that we need to use during pile installation. Correspondingly, that results in less costs, less environmental emissions associated with steel manufacturing.